Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures, daily chart, and what we're seeing here is a really long period of consolidation. And if the Bollinger Bands hadn't been so wide when we got started, when the consolidation started, the bandwidth was, above 6. If that had not been the case, we would be dealing with another set of very narrow Bollinger Bands. And I tell you this because, look, whatever the Bollinger Bands look like on the chart, we need to begin to prepare ourselves for a resolution, for expansion out of this compression. Now, if you get inside of a chart on a smaller time scale, what you can see essentially is that we are doing, in effect, a 20 handle range between round number 2000. And as I'm taping this, we are trading at 2000, 2000 and a quarter. So, we're essentially on the median line of a fairly wide range. I tell you this because this is not the time to be making any particularly large decisions, whether it's up or down. The compression on the daily chart is going to resolve. The trick with compression into expansion is you don't know which way it's going to resolve. And you can turn into roadkill pretty fast if you assume the direction it's going to resolve, either based on the fact that you're a perma-bull or a perma-bear, or you read something in The Economist, or you're going through some type of central bank, progression, and you think it's going to do X. You know what? If it does X, that's great, and you'll get a false sense of security until the next time you do it, and it turns up Y. Because when it becomes Y and you're guessing X, your account will take a gigantic hit. And what you'll learn is that when things get compressed like this, there's always plenty of time after the direction is determined to jump on board and take advantage. For example, when we broke down here, this is a 5-6 day lower band ride. On almost every day, there was a morning high that got sold into, that you could ride short downward for the remainder of the day. So be patient. Let this expansion resolve itself. Understand that we're in a trading range, that this is all about round number 2000, and there we are, we're sitting right on it. So sit back and, be patient, wait for the setup, and trade it. That's what we're going to be doing in the room. We will not be hyper trading this morning in the room. It will not be an exciting day in my chat room today. We'll be discussing other things, but we will not be looking for setup after setup after setup, because this market needs to decide what it wants to do. Okay, take care, everybody. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out our chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.